Genes and Genomes, an introduction to patterns of inheritance. Complete and incomplete dominance are the most basic patterns of inheritance. Complete dominance is when the dominant allele is completely expressed while the recessive allele is not. The red flower can occur with two dominant alleles, or just one, while the white flower can only occur with the presence of two recessive alleles. What if both the red and white alleles were equally dominant? Incomplete dominance and codominance occur when neither allele is dominant over the other, but both are present. Incomplete dominance is when both alleles are not fully expressed, leaving the phenotype as a blend of the two present alleles, shown here as pink. Codominance occurs when both alleles are fully expressed in the organism's phenotype, as a mixture of the two, shown here as a mixture of red and white spots. That explains the black and white, clear-cut aspects of inheritance, but what about the gray areas? We see that human skin color greatly varies. This is because of multiple allelism, which is when one gene and its traits expression is controlled by more than two alleles. For example, check out these puppies. There are 4 alleles controlling each puppy's total coloring. The E allele controls for dark fur or light fur, with dark being dominant and light being recessive, and the B allele controls for facial coloring, dark again being dominant and light being recessive. Because of these 4 alleles, we can have 4 different representations of labs: yellow fur with brown facial features, yellow fur with black facial features, brown fur with brown facial features, and black fur with black facial features. Quantitative traits occur when multiple genes and their additive alleles control the expression of a trait. In this type of inheritance, there is a continuous phenotype, but each additive allele counts as one extra unit of the trait. For example, the length of a lizard is a continuous phenotype. For each additive allele the lizard has, the longer it is. Because of this, all lizards are different lengths, leading to variability as specific as millimeters. Finally, we'll take a look at genes by environment. Think of environmental influences as the switches that activate the gene. To better understand this concept, consider a set of identical twins. They both have the same DNA, but one enjoys baking in the sun, while the other hates going outside. Both twins have the same genetic predisposition for skin cancer. However, since only one of the twins exposes herself to the sun, the environmental influence that acts on the gene, she is the only one that gets skin cancer. That wraps up our discussion on basic patterns of inheritance. Thanks for watching! If there's anything you think you might have missed, please use these links to go back and rewatch.